Football now in their first game at home this season. Waterhouse were held 1-1 by Malines United in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at Drewsland. Delano Daly, on debut for Waterhouse, saw his day end almost before it started, as he was ejected in just the second minute of play for rough play. Now, despite the numerical disadvantage, it was Waterhouse who took the lead through Andre Fletcher in the 7th minute. And that was Waterhouse's goal. It was a lead they held until the 69th minute before giving up a penalty. The sure-footed Jason Wright then dispatched the resulting kick as Malines picked up a point to remain unbeaten under new coach Jermaine Thomas.
We started a bit slow, but we got that confidence as the game progressed. We created again numerous opportunities, as you would have seen, but we weren't so sharp in front of the goal, and I think that led to us finishing 1-1. But guess what? We got a point away from home. We won the last game, getting a point here. The lads are playing better, they're responding better. So it is for us now to look back on the training pitch and to see what we can fix going forward.
For Waterhouse's coach Marcel Gale, it was a missed opportunity to give the fans a win, but the result was satisfying under the circumstances.
I think we played stout-hearted today. A little bit disappointed in front of our home return back today. We thought that we'd have 3 points in the back today, but nevertheless, courage and determination show. And again, we just lose concentration. We gave a soft penalty, but such is the game,
In the two other games on Sunday, Jalmaro Calvin's 43rd minute goal gave Cavalier a 1-0 win over Dunbeholden. And Tivoli Gardens, with goals from Kimarley Smith, Alton Lewis and Rodico Wellington, had a 3-1 win over Limehole Academy, for whom Carlos Campbell scored.